I'm about to give you something that could change your life that nobody else is willing to do. Hello everybody, Ryan Melnick back here for another video, and this video is the biggest video I have ever made because I am giving everyone and anybody free access to Dropshipping Perfection, my brand new 42 plus hour program. I'm giving it to everybody. I'm giving it away for free. There's a lot of reasons for that. I'm going to go over that in some later videos. This is just going to be a short summary video of how you can have the opportunity to have access to Dropshipping Perfection for 100% free. Now, this is thousands of dollars of information you're not going to be able to find anywhere else on the internet. Case studies, 15 hours of Facebook content, 10 hours of store building, 10 hours of product research, updated methods, all that kind of stuff to my program. It's in a private Facebook group. So I'm going to kind of go through how you can get access to that in this video and go over it real quick. Guys, there's a lot of reasons for it, like I said. But at the end of the day, it's really all about helping people, and it's all about the fact that nobody else is willing to do this. So I want to be the person to first roll out a full program, but have no programs, that are inferior to others. Just having a base program that pretty much anybody can access for free as long as you go through some of the things that I'm going to mention here. So this is how you do it. So my 42 plus hour program, Dropshipping Perfection. I have a bunch of these t-shirts and welcome packages I'll be sending out to people as well. I'll be letting you know later on how you can get that and have the ability to get those in the mail from me as well. So how do you get Dropshipping Perfection? That is a great question. You're gonna like this video. You want to make sure you do all these things, guys. I'm giving it to you for free. Thousands of dollars of information, lots of time and effort I put into this. All I ask is that you do the things I'm asking you to do here. It's pretty simple. It's trying to help as many people as I possibly can. So like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Turn on the notification bell so every time I post a video, if I'm giving away free Dropshipping Perfection shirts, welcome packages, free trips, I don't know, free cars. I'm not saying I'm going to do that. I'm just saying, so that every time I post a video with stupid valuable information, you will get a notification. So turn that notification bell on. And lastly, I will have a link in the description below this video that is going to give you, it's a Facebook link to a private Facebook group. It's going to give you that link. Click on that link and go and request access to Dropshipping Perfection. All of the videos, 42 plus hours of videos, are on that Facebook group. It's super important that you request that access as well. And feel free, you don't have to do this, but feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think about this move, whether or not for me as a business person, if that's a good decision or not. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion on that because obviously a lot of these gurus out here, influencers, whatever, they make money off selling programs, and at the end of the day, it's about helping people, and I want to hear what you guys think about this and how excited you are to jump into the best program in the industry, and you're all going to get to see that up front and obvious with all the freaking videos you're going to get to watch through. You're going to get tired of my face, that's for sure. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm not going to sell you on Dropshipping Perfection simply because you don't need to buy it. It's free. If you're not willing to go and get enrolled and do these things, like a video, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Nobody has to know you did that. Nobody, it just doesn't matter, right? But it's important to me to kind of give back to me. It helps me out. If you're not willing to do these things, then you're not going to be successful in any business, no matter what. So I'm literally giving it to you for 100% free, okay? All you gotta do is do these things, but that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I'm not gonna try to sell you on it. It is the best program out there, and you're gonna see that when I teach you the hows and whys of what this business is and how it works. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want Dropshipping Perfection, make sure that you do all the things that I have listed right here. Like the video, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, request access to the group, guys. Gonna be posting like I do every week, a few times a week, going into some new big business, making billions of dollars, but I'm still gonna be active here, helping you guys out with all of your e-commerce needs. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Welcome in to Dropshipping Perfection. Make sure you request that access. And over the next few days, I'll be accepting people in and posting a new video on Tuesday, kind of revealing how many people I'm going to let in at a time and how we're going to go about that. So I don't have 1,000 people join at one time. But that's pretty much it, guys. For this video, I've said that 4 times now. I'll see you guys in the next video.